In this video, you will learn to form sentences using uncountable nouns. This topic talks about nouns and determiners. Uncountable nouns are nouns that cannot be counted. For example, sand, rain, rice, and wind. Uncountable nouns do not have an S added to it. Milk does not become milks. Juice does not become juices. And sand doesn't become sands. Use a unit like bottle, glass, or heap to make an uncountable noun countable. For example, a bottle of milk or a glass of juice or a heap of sand. Use some before an uncountable noun when you are not sure how much is there. For example, some milk or some juice. To form a positive sentence, use some before the uncountable noun. For example, there is some milk in the fridge. Or, I would like some juice. Use no before an uncountable noun when you are sure it is not there. For example, no milk or no juice. To form a negative sentence, use no before the uncountable noun. For example, there is no milk in the fridge. Or, there is no sand on the floor. Another way of forming negative sentences is to use isn't with any. For example, there isn't any milk in the fridge. Or, there isn't any sand on the floor. Now you know how to create sentences using uncountable nouns.